Brackeys jam. The theme for this jam is nothing can go wrong. So for the game I'm planning is that there will be a maid who will, you know, guide you, I guess, and you have to play a mini game where you have to collect all the following stickers, and it will be very continuous and it will go on, and if you fail to do so, then your PC restarts. So you will be kind of stuck playing that game, and until you actually, if you don't want it to reset and restart, then you have to collect all of them. When I had initially started this jam, a lot of exams popped in and I only had 3 days remaining. So I had to improvise and come up with a much more simpler game than I had originally planned. So here it is. Okay, so here's the main menu of the game. Of course, I made sprite and liver sprite, and then I created this main menu put together, right? And the background was made in Korea, right? So, yep, that's about it. Okay, so I have learned a new technique of drawing anime style pixel art. So, based on that, I have put this new character into play. I will put a link to where you guys can learn it, okay, in the description. So, do check that out, okay? So, anyways, let's go ahead and build the mechanics for the game. Okay, now I have added a dialogue scene where we have the cafe, which totally doesn't look good, and this maid. Okay, I tried to improvise and try to add the previous dress into here, but it looks kind of disproportionate, because the head is kind of big and the body or the dress doesn't fit well, right? But we'll go with this. Okay, the jam is about to end in just few days or so, so I don't really have much time left, and I haven't been getting much time to design the game because of too many exams going on parallel. So anyway, I have this so far. So I play the play button, press start, and this is the dialogue, right? That's about it. Okay, and the next thing I implemented is the game, the mini game. Okay, so if you click on the bomb, it's gonna be game over, and the purpose of this game is to simply click on the stickers and avoid clicking on the bomb. And if you let one of the stickers fall all the way into the screen, then the game is gonna be over. Yep, there it is. So yeah, that's the basic mechanic of the game. I know the doesn't fit the game theme too well, but I have a mini surprise waiting for this game that I'm planning. Since originally wanted to make something big out of it, but due to this week's schedule, I didn't really get that. So we're gonna stick with the basic plan here, okay? So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be going ahead and adding few music tracks, and I'll see you then. Okay, so I have made 3 tracks using Boscasio. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyways, I'm gonna give a link to this software in the description. So it's a pretty simple software where you can add the notes directly and you can play them and make different arrangements. There are different instruments here and there which you can use. Okay, pretty cool stuff actually. So anyways, what you can do is create different tracks very quickly, and the tracks I have so far are this one and this one. Yeah, I'm not too well versed with music, so this is the best you can expect out of an indie dev like me. Okay,
I'm gonna, improve myself later on later jams, on game jams, okay, other game jams. So yeah, so far this is what I have, and I'm gonna implement it into the game. And I'm also gonna add the secret new feature that I want to add. At least, a little bit it should fit the theme, the game jam. So I'm gonna add that functionality into the game, and I'll see you there.
Okay, so I've added music to the game, and when I press play here, oh my bad, over here, right? I'm gonna lose purposefully to show you the thing, and it's gonna say see ya. That means it's gonna restart when I press space again. Okay, I'm not gonna show that part because the video capture will get turned off if I press space again. So you can check that out yourself, okay? And I'm gonna just close this, right? So yeah. Okay, so my laptop actually restarted. I couldn't show you because it restarted so quickly that the screen dropper also restarted, okay? So anyways, if you play the game, you'll get to know, okay? So yeah, that's basically about it. And how it fits the theme, well, basically if you don't collect all the stickers, I mean it will keep on, you have to keep on continuously collect stickers in the catch me, okay, in the third level. And if you fail to do that, it will restart your device, okay? So yeah, that's basically about it. Also, I use pyautogui and OS to the restart the PC, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna share the code in my GitHub, so do check that out. But regardless of that, that's it for my game jam submission, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next game jam.